there is a really great tradition here in Wales about Janacek. In a way, we could say that the artists who were very connected with this opera company, with the Welsh National Opera, they had a big impact on the whole world to create Janacek as an internationally recognized and beloved composer. Because at the beginning he was also, due to the two world wars, first and second, during the First World War he still lived. Second World War, after his death, of course, limited the popularity of his pieces internationally. And he needed some great artists, some great conductors to bring his music to the international stage. And there were artists like Sir Charles Mackerras, great and famous conductor, not only for Janacek, an artist who was very much connected to the Welsh National Opera. And the other one, for example, Sir David Pountney, who, as a young stage director, did start with a lot of Janacek pieces in a great way. And for example, these two artists and others, they really created a fantastic tradition in the UK, and particularly here in Wales, about Janacek. So I would say Welsh National Opera is a special place to come to see Janacek's operas. Not only that, the W&O orchestra, and I can tell you because I can compare with other orchestras, they are really good in playing Janacek. It's one of the best you can get. They understand it also thanks to the atmosphere here, to the tradition. And I'm very happy as a conductor who was born where Janacek lived, very much connected to Janacek, now to be able to contribute to this tradition.